Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Guide. Today I'm going to show you how to create stunning presentations using Canva. If you are looking for a simple and efficient way to design professional presentations, you've come to the right place. Let's dive right in. First, head over to Canva's website and sign up for a free account if you don't have one already. So if you already have an account, you can see the login option. Go ahead and click on login, select your Google account. You can also click on continue with other account. Go ahead and click continue. Wait for a while, give the authorization to Canva to log into your account. Click continue to sign into Canva. In a while, you will be logged in. Now, click on create a design. So after you have clicked on design, you will see this interface. You can see the presentations option over here. If you click it, you'll be presented with a variety of templates to choose from. Take your time to browse through them and pick one that suits your needs. Once you've selected the template, it will open in Canva editor. So you can see some of the templates over here. Just go ahead and click on one of these after you select which one is good for you. So go ahead and select it, and you can see that the Canva editor opens up this. Now let's customize our slides. To edit the text, simply click on any text box. You can change the font, color, size, alignment using the toolbar at the top. Want to add some images? You can see elements over here. Click on elements or upload, and you can upload some images of your own. Here you can search for images, graphics and icons, or even upload your own. Adding new slides is a breeze. Just click on the plus icon on the left panel and choose from different layouts available. So you can go to design and click on the layouts which you want. You can see on the left hand side panel, you can click on any of these. And if you want to rearrange the alignments on your sides, it is as easy as dragging and dropping them. So if you want to align your slides, you can do it quite easily. To enhance your presentation, you can change the backgrounds by clicking on background on the top left hand side bar. So you can see that there are options of changing the background as well. You can find them over here and change them. So you can go to the lock option and lock the page, and you can change its view as well. Once you're happy with your slides, review each one of them to ensure everything looks perfect. Make any final arrangements to the text, and then you can add in more images and layout. When you're ready to save and share your presentation button, you can see that there is a share icon right next to present. If you want to present it, just go ahead and click on present full screen, or click on autoplay, and there are some of the options like present full screen, present review, present and record, autoplay. You can go ahead and click on present, and with a single touch you can start presenting on Canva itself, or you can share it with your dear beloved, and you can easily share what you are thinking. So it's quite easy. Over here you can see that there are some functionalities of Canva. If you scroll a bit down, you can find more styles. You can add in more templates over here, and it will be adjusted accordingly. So you can see the elements over here. This is some of the stickers which are available, and the elements, some of the AI image generator, tables, photos, all of these are here. If you want the pro version, you can see that this king option shows the pro version. If this is shown on the photo, you might want to purchase the pro version, or else you can just find the free photos available and use it. And some of the photos, videos, charts, stickers, frames, and whatnot to look for. So you can go to elements, scroll it down, and use what you want to add on your presentation. So you can see that some of the fonts can be added yourself, and you can also see the magic right. You can do this and it will give you some incredible output. So you can go ahead and go to brand, but this brand templates needs Canva Pro, so you can do that. And if you want to upload anything which you want, you can do that as well. So you can see the uploads option over here. You can use it quite easily. And if you want to present something and you want to draw and explain what you want, you can see this draw icon over here. This is especially useful when you are presenting it. So you can see that you can upload some designs from the previous projects as well. So you can just go ahead and drag and drop it, and you can see that it will be added quick as hell. So that's how you can create a Canva presentation, and a smooth one according to your wish. There are lots of templates and designs to look from, so you better start doing your things on Canva. After you're done, just go ahead and click on share, and you can see that there are options like download. You can click on this drop down menu and select the PDF standard. So there are other standards like PDF print, PPT, MP4, JPG, PNG, and for SVG you need the Pro version, and the GIF version is here as well. So you can select the PDF, and you can see you can select the page as well. You can select all pages because you're going to download all of it. Go ahead and click on download, wait for a while, and your presentation will be downloaded shortly. Now you can use it and you can edit it from your PowerPoint as well. So guys, this is how you make a Canva presentation. I hope this video was helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. If you have any questions or video requests, leave them in the comment section down below. Happy presenting, and I'll see you in the next video. Feel free to adjust this script. Goodbye and see you.